Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, we will show you how to customize the advanced heading block to make creative headings in Gutenberg. So, let's start. First, there's already a container block inside the editor. Now, click on the plus icon in the middle and select Advanced Heading Block. This is the default heading block. From the options on your right, you can change the text alignment easily. These are the general options under the Basic tab. There are 3 style presets for the heading. The first one is a simple heading. The rest 2 have advanced heading features. These presets are merely styles, generated by manipulating the options right below. You will find buttons to enable this block's title link, subheading, separator, and transparent heading. Let's enable the buttons and try switching between the alignments. This should help you choose the right setting for your site. Then, from the content section below, you can change the main heading text. Also, edit the heading tag here. The same goes for the subheading, a text field, and a title tag option. Additionally, you can adjust the subheading position here. For the separator, you can change its position. That leaves us with the transparent heading. First is a text field, followed by heading tag and offset controls. Also, you can rotate the text with 2 combination options and a hidden control in case you want to hide it on mobile devices. Next, we can go into the Style tab to customize the appearance of the advanced heading block. Under the heading section, you can use the typography option to change the heading font style. Start with changing the font family, and then the font size, weight, transform, spacing, etc. There are text color and text background color options right below. But you can also use a background image for the text. The image will be in the letter masking layer. You can skip the padding, margin, or shadow options if you don't need them right now. Then, from the subheading section, you can start customizing the typography first. Just simple adjustments to find the perfect spot. Then minimize it and open the color option. Set your preferred color here. Then, from the separator section, let's change the color first. You can adjust the width of the separator. There are options for the height as well, and a spacing option at the bottom. Now, go into the advanced heading section. Here, you can start with the typography first. This is where you can show your creativity. Once you are done with it, you can start customizing the heading color. At the bottom, you will find the opacity control. Adjust it to get a very suitable view of the heading. With this, you are done with your first heading design, using the advanced heading block. Now let us give you a tour of several creative heading designs using the power of Zoloblocks. Get some ideas from here and take your designs to the next level. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to get more blocks tutorial as soon as they are available. Stay connected with BdThemes.